Hey guys, it's Jedd here from Tutoring. As always, so nice to join you. We are going to deal with a question related to shapes and their properties, and based on the properties given to you, being able to identify what shape is being spoken about. So we'll go straight into the question. A quadrilateral in which all four sides are equal is called a what? So the most important part here, guys, is we've got a quadrilateral. We know a quadrilateral is a shape that has four sides. And they've specifically mentioned to us that all four sides are equal. So now let's deal with each of these in turn and see which is the correct one that the examiner is looking for. So starting with a rectangle, what do we know about a rectangle? Okay, we know a rectangle has two pairs of sides that are equal in length, but it doesn't necessarily mean that all four sides are equal. So it cannot be the rectangle. Moving on to the parallelogram, what do we know about the parallelogram? We know a parallelogram has two sets of sides that are equal and two sets of lines that are parallel. Again though, this does not mean that the sides are all the same size, so that's why it cannot be the parallelogram. Then moving on to our rhombus, we know a rhombus looks something like a parallelogram. It's a slanted square, and we know each side of the rhombus is the same length. So it's a square that is slanted, and therefore this is the shape that they're looking for. So C would be the correct answer for this question. Just to finish off this question, if we think of a kite, what do we know about a kite? We know that a kite has two pairs of adjacent sides that are equal. So that's why it cannot be the kite that they're referring to, because not all four sides are the same. So that's why rhombus is clearly the correct answer for this question. That's all from me, guys. Remember to visit our website for more awesome videos. A very special thank you to our sponsor for making this video possible. If we haven't answered your question yet, remember you can send it to us and we'll reply with a personalized video. Until the next time, guys, stay epic.